Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is Coins Kid. I'm just going to dive into Solana. The ticker is SOL versus USDT. Okay, so I'm doing an update on this. We're having a little bit of a pullback at the moment, which is great. Okay, we've come up with metal target just there, and you're right now. You are in a new impulsive wave to $126. So obviously you've run into the 1272 at 84, round about there. Look, you run into it and start to retrace. So what you would like to see here for Solana, okay, is obviously come back to this high and hold it, because what you're doing, look, you come to swing high, swing lows. Look, when you come up here, swing high, swing low, come up, swing high, swing low, and you rested on that swing high just there as support. So that was golden for continuation. At that point, you've built up steam and you broke out, and you've actually come up and got a little bit overextended. You come to the 1272, you're looking for retracement for coming back up, breaking that, obviously getting to the 1618 up here. So this could offer a fantastic trade moving forward, to be honest with you, because you are in a technical target to the 1618 at the moment. Okay, the only way you invalidate that is if you start to roll back down here and lose this low, okay, at $19. So you are in a technical target to the upside, and it's looking for continuation, but you're coming back to support for that continuation. Do you understand that? So you're broken out just there. Beautiful trade. I did post this on Twitter, Discord, all of those channels. It was posted, and the video. I did a video. I think I made the video just there and says, look, you're in a technical target to retrace to this high, and then you got another extension coming up to the 1618 fibs there, right? Okay, so this is an impulsive wave target. This is an Elliott wave theory 5 that we do anticipate that Solana could get to in this bull market, but this is the first impulsive wave up to here, the 1618 at 126, which you're conforming to. You're coming back, breaking resistance, coming back, something like that. At that point, I think you'll have a retracement again, and that will be your next impulsive wave target up there, 270, okay, in this bull run. But you're doing everything it needs to for continuation. You're currently retracing, okay, and if we hold this high, beautiful. You could be looking at a beautiful little impulsive wave off there within itself. Let's have a look at this. So let's say it does come down to the daily, because it's a daily time frame, okay. It comes down to the daily 20, which is currently $61.39. 39 cents. If you do start forming an impulsive wave off this retracement right now, you could be looking at $103 off this next impulsive wave. Okay, so you're coming back like this. Look, you come back, retracing, bounce off this low just there, come back up, break this high at $84, and you could be looking at a beautiful upside of around about $103 here for Solana. So from this low just there, if we can retain it, you could be looking at a beautiful little 69% long up on Solana. Okay, so it's doing well. It's doing everything it needs to. It's conforming. Okay, it's conforming to all the fibs. You run into resistance to the 1272. You're rolling back, looking for support to re-attack that. And once you break through that, obviously you've got the fib extension there, the 1618 at $103. But it is dependent on where you retrace to. So obviously, come to your charts when you do see the retracement complete and it starts to bounce off a key level support and starts to move up impulsively. This is where you drop your fibs, and you will see the technical target for that. So for example, let's say we had a whopping correction here for Solana, and we lost this previous local high, which you can see in previous upswings we are holding the high. But let's say we did come back down to at least a 786 where the 55 is on the daily, and we had a whopping correction here, come back down, bounced off there. Well, like I said to you, the deeper you retrace, the greater the impulsive pace. So right now, that's where you could see a beautiful impulsive wave up, break the high. You could be looking at $119, which brings you up to the initial sort of impulsive wave up to the 1618 at 126. Do you see that? So that in itself could offer a fantastic opportunity moving forward of around about 152% with a continuation and a little bit of a overextension there of 164% on Solana. So it is all about holding support for continuation, and that's exactly what Solana is doing at the moment. Okay, so just a little update for you. It's looking good, it's looking healthy. You've got key levels of support that you do want to see held here for Solana. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It's looking good. You might be looking at some cheeky bids on the 55 down here if it does start to lose the 20 and the previous all-time high, but I do think that Solana is that strong that potentially you might just have a little wick down here off the 20 EMA on the daily, and then get that continuation right there. So I am anticipating some kind of correction in September, to be honest with you. Or are we having the correction prematurely? Are we having a correction right now where we come down to a key level support before we get continuation? But if you do start to see the daily 20 lost, do anticipate a retest of the 55 wherever it is at the time, okay? Because obviously it's creeping up with time. Currently it sits at $47.13, and that would be golden, because you can see on the way up here, you know, when you do roll over and have these corrections, just like you had that wave correction there, you bounce off at 55 as support for continuation, and that's exactly what you could be looking at here for Solana moving forward, and that could offer a fruitful entry opportunity right there. The stock RSI is in the floor, so you want to wait till it's come down a little bit and starts to curl. That would be an optimal entry point as well. And obviously equally, look at the RSI coming back down into the purple box. And you know, when these come back down to these levels, these gives you the opportunity to have that beautiful wave form up to the upside. Do you see that? So yeah, so far so good. It's holding support, it's looking for continuation, and you've got your little technical targets if it does have a deeper roll in the market right here, you know, and just roll down to a key level support. This could be a fantastic trade moving forward for Solana. Okay, take care everyone. I hope you enjoyed that update at Solana. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.